India has seen a lot in the past few days ups, downs, and everything in between. But like always, we bounce back stronger. So today, let's take a break and talk about something beautiful. Towns in India that sit right on the edge, touching other countries. These places aren't just about borders, they are about breathtaking views, rich culture, and stories you'll never forget. जब भी हम ट्रैवल प्लान्स बनाते हैं वी यूजुअली थिंक ऑफ गोवा मनाली द बीचेस एंड द माउंटेन्स बट व्हाट इफ आई टेल यू इंडिया इज होम टू सम गॉर्जियस बॉर्डर टाउन्स दैट यू शुड विजिट एटलीस्ट वंस इन योर लाइफ टाइम. आज हम आपको इंडिया के बॉर्डर टाउन्स के बारे में बताने वाले हैं जो कि खूबसूरत तो हैं ही लेकिन वहाँ पे आपको एडवेंचर, कल्चर और थ्रिल भी बहुत सारा मिलेगा. फर्स्ट अप इज तवांग इन अरुणाचल प्रदेश लोकेटेड नियर द चाइना बॉर्डर. दिस प्लेस इज अ ब्लेंड ऑफ बुद्धिस्ट सेरेनिटी एंड हिमालयन मेजेस्टी. तवांग विल ट्रूली फील लाइक अ पोस्टकार्ड कम टू लाइफ. यहाँ आपको एंशिएंट मॉनेस्ट्रीज से लेके स्नो कैप माउंटेन सब मिलेगा. एंड व्हाइल यू आर एट इट यू कैन ऑल्सो विजिट तवांग मॉनेस्ट्री which can house almost 450 monks. Next up on our list is Kibber and Kaza in Himachal, which is close to the Indo-Tibet border. In case you didn't know, Kibber is one of the highest inhabited villages in the world, and you can also visit the sanctuary, which is 14,000 feet above sea level. And if you want literal goosebumps, head to the Wagah border in Punjab. The beating retreat ceremony at the Indo-Pak border is worth watching. You can also enjoy soul-satisfying meals like chole bhature, makke di roti, sarson da saag, lassi and so much more. Due to the recent tensions, the iconic border ceremony at Wagah had been put on hold. But the good news is it officially resumed on the 20th of May. Up next is More, which is on the India-Myanmar border. This shopping street is chaotic and charming both at the same time. यहाँ आप Burmese noodles, Thai beauty products और Manipuri pickles खरीद सकते हैं. This list won't be complete without the legendary Run of Kutch in Gujarat. It shares its border with Pakistan and it's a white desert that looks every bit magical. The Run of Kutch festival happens every year from November to Feb, so you should definitely visit during that time. Want to float over glassy waters right next to Bangladesh? Well, Dauki in Meghalaya is your spot. The Umangat River is known as one of the cleanest rivers in India, so you can definitely take a boat ride here. Plus, you can literally wave to the people across the Bangladesh border. If you are a fan of surreal landscapes, then head to Nubra Valley, which is near the Indo-China border. Cold deserts, double-humped camels, ancient monasteries, and so much more. Nubra is a phenomenal place that you'll ever visit. Hidden away in Bhutan border is Rupa, which is a tiny town in Arunachal Pradesh, and I bet you've never heard of this place before. Come here if you love untouched nature and the calm mountain vibes. It's quiet, slow, and honestly a detox for the soul. Have you ever walked into another country? In Dharchula, Uttarakhand, you can literally cross a hanging bridge and walk into Nepal. It's surreal. India on one side, Nepal on the other, and just one bridge in between. Come for the views, stay for the street momos. These border towns were our top picks. Which one are you going to add to your bucket list? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share.